Bullish ETH cost expectation for 2023 is $1,802.53 to $2,109.79. Ethereum cost could likewise reach $2,600 soon. Bearish ETH cost expectation for 2023 is $1,287.35. In Ethereum cost forecast 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ETH to dissect the future development of the digital money. What is Ethereum? Ethereum, known as Ether, is the local cryptographic money of Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain stage that upset the blockchain and DeFi area by the presentation of shrewd agreements. This second-age blockchain was sent off in 2015. Its local crypto coin, Ether, was sent off through an underlying coin offering in August 2014. The whole Ethereum network is energized by Ether. The outline of the Ethereum network was first delivered in quite a while white paper in 2013 by Ethereum Prime supporter Vitalik Buterin. Since its send-off, the blockchain-based programming stage capabilities as a possible platform for a few other crypto tokens, DeFi conventions, and various decentralized applications. Subsequently, Ethereum is viewed as the world PC. The brilliant agreements are coded programs that execute independently with pre-characterized conditions on Ethereum. These savvy contracts are conveyed and executed by means of the Ethereum Candy Machine. Ethereum will change to the evidence of stake agreement through the Union Update. At first, the Ethereum network was based on the high-energy concentrated verification of work since its send-off. From 2020, the Ethereum engineers have started getting ready for the POW2POS progress. The Union Update is set for September 15. After this progress, the Ether, which was an inflationary symbolic, will change over into a deflationary token. Ethereum value expectation 2023. Ethereum stands firm on the second footing on CoinGecko at the present time. ETH cost expectation 2023 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time span. The above graph of Ethereum spread out an expanding wedge. The widening wedge is made by a fight between the bulls and the bears. The bulls are attempting to push the cost up, while the bears are attempting to push the value down. The hole between the upper and lower pattern lines develops rapidly as the cost moves sideways. That makes the widening part of the name for this arrangement. Right now, Ethereum is in the scope of $1,778.98. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of ETH could arrive at the opposition levels of $1,827.50 and $2,080.07. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of ETH might tumble to $1,407.03. From the above day-to-day time period, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Ethereum. The outlines show that Ethereum has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, ETH could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at $2,109.79. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Ethereum could plunge to nearly $1,287.35, a negative sign. Ethereum value expectation 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Ethereum is displayed in the graph beneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of ETH lies beneath the end line, showing powerless members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Ethereum is displayed in the outline above. Strikingly, Ethereum cost lies over 50 MAMA, so it is in an upturn. Right now, ETH has entered a bullish state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ETH whenever. In the meantime, the general strength list of the ETH is 57.47. This implies that Ethereum is neither in overbought nor oversold state, hence affirming a potential sell signal. Ethereum value expectation 2023. ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Ethereum. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Ethereum. At present, the ADX of ETH lies in the scope of 30.64, and in this manner, it demonstrates serious areas of strength for it. The above diagram likewise addresses the overall instability record of Ethereum. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of ETH lies over 50, showing high instability. Examination of ETH with BTC. The beneath diagram shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin and Ethereum. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value activity of ETH is like BTC. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH likewise increments or diminishes separately. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024 to 2030. Various variables are considered while gauging costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparative coins. We should foresee the cost of Ethereum somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024. On the off chance that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Ethereum could likely accomplish $2,900 by 2024. Ethereum Value Forecast 2025. With a few overhauls in the organization, Ethereum could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ETH could revitalize to hit $3,300 by 2025. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. If Ethereum supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, ETH would energize to hit $3,600. Ethereum Value Expectation 2027. If Ethereum supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, ETH would mobilize to hit $3,900. Ethereum Value Expectation 2028. If Ethereum supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, ETH would mobilize to hit $4,200. Ethereum Value Expectation 2029. Ethereum holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market. By driving huge cost rallies, ETH would hit $4,500 in 2029. Ethereum Value Forecast 2030. Assuming that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Ethereum, it would observe significant spikes. ETH could hit $4,700 by 2030. And with non-stop enhancements in the Ethereum organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for ETH. Consequently, the bullish value forecast of Ethereum in 2023 is $2,109.79. Then again, the negative value expectation of Ethereum for 2023 is $1,287.35. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the Ethereum environment, the presentation of ETH would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $4,878.26 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $2,600 assuming that the financial backers accept that ETH is a wise interest in 2023. FAQ 1. What is Ethereum? Ethereum or Ether is the local digital money of Ethereum. Ethereum is a second-age blockchain stage that sent off in 2015. Ether was sent off in 2014. 2. Where might you at any point buy Ethereum? Ethereum has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Kraken, Bitfinex, and Bitstamp. 3. Will Ethereum come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns